Well, I said I was going to give you a review. This is my review of the VOXELAB Aquila. Here's what I got to say.
He's the man in the bandana, the man with the charm. He's a dude with the glasses and a lady on his arm.
Okay, it is one of the most hugest pieces of shit that I have ever purchased in my entire life. This is a $199 paperweight. The best fucking 3D print that I got from this is this. I have leveled this bed over 100 times. I have leveled it. I have leveled it while it was hot, and I made sure that I had it all the way up. I had the bed all the way up and then brought it back. I had the springs all the way to this max tension, then I brought it back. All right. I used the paper. I used the fucking paper to level the bed. Okay? I'm over here and I believe I've leveled every centimeter of this goddamn bed. And nothing. The most I get is globs of ink on the printer, on the printer nozzle, the extruder, whatever you call it, like this. That's all that I get, is globs of ink like that on my goddamn printer. I'm gonna send this back. God forbid these people have problem taking it. I bought it through Amazon. So I'm gonna take this piece of shit back. My wife went out of her way and bought me a table to have this fucking printer on. But this printer is a piece of shit. I regret the day that I even thought about doing this shit for a hobby and possibly making some money doing it. The interface sucks ass, honestly. The interface sucks ass. It should be a touchscreen, but it's not. But I don't know nothing about printers. I went into this fucking blind. I watched a bunch of videos. I listened and I studied as much as possible. I really had an open mind to this thing. And now that I'm done, I'm just saying, this printer is a piece of shit. And I don't think I'm going to do any more 3D printing, because if this is supposed to be the easiest one out there, one of the easiest printers out there to have. If this is easy, fuck that. I'm too stupid for printing, for 3D printing at least. Must be. Because oof. The level of frustration has been, oh, good Lord, I can't even describe the level of frustration. Anyway, that's my review on this piece of shit. This piece of shit that I wasted $199 on through Amazon. $199, and all that feels like right now is one big, giant, constipated piece of shit that just didn't want to come out. Just like the prints don't want to come out. Nothing else to say. I thought I would be doing stuff that would, like, you know, oh, I made this, or oh, I made that, and, you know, get ideas from you. I had all kinds of, like, hope. And this thing shattered all that hope. That's it. Shattered them all. There's no hope left for me. I thought I would have a new lease on life, a new fucking hobby, something that would interest me, something that would get me off of being on the damn video games, because I'm too sick to go out there and work and I don't want to catch corona. You know, I thought wrong. Thought wrong. That's how I feel. Peace.
Yo, Mr. Electro, yo, Mr. E.